Alright, to Delta, Foxtrot, Echo, stand Echo 64, Express, 20 Pop.
KLM 1920, wind 190 degrees, 2 knots, runway 28,
Tango climb, flight level 160.
Takeoff runway 28, KLM 1920.
Airplane jet is 211 Delta, Hotel 1.
21 Delta, Embraer, taxi 1 Juliet, hold short of runway 28.
Juliet, hold short to 8, 211 Delta.
7 Papa Echo, wind 230 degrees, 2 knots, runway 28, clear takeoff.
Runway 28, clear takeoff to 7 Papa Echo.
Swiss 129 Yankee, hello, your departure in around 6 minutes, restricting inbound traffic.
And Speedbird 7 Fox Juliet, raise the departure.
Speedbird 71 Fox Juliet, behind the opposite Swiss, line up to 8 behind.
Behind the opposite Swiss aircraft, stand up runway 28, wait behind, Speedbird 71 Fox Juliet.
Swiss 961 Mike, wind 250 degrees, 4 knots, runway 28, clear takeoff.
Runway 28, clear for takeoff, Swiss 961 Mike.
Swiss 961 Mike, right outbound Echo, the holding point Echo Zulu.
Taxi Delta, Echo to holding point Echo Zulu.
Swiss 961 Mike, 2900, climbing 5000.
Hello, Swiss 961 Mike, departure identified, climb level 120, and wind passing 5,000 feet, turn left to Degas.
Climb flight level 120, passing 5000 left to Degas, Swiss 961 Mike.
Swiss 126, departure time in 6 minutes.
Swiss 146, ready.
Speedbird 71 Foxtrot Juliet, wind 250 degrees, 5 knots, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Taxi off runway 28, that's 71 Fox Juliet.
Swiss 2 Echo Tango, contact Swiss radar 133.905, are they?
133.905, this is 2 Echo Tango.
Airplane, hello, Sun Express, 2 Zulu Papa, making runway via Hotel 1.
Sun Express 2 Zulu Papa, April, good afternoon, on the apron turn right, taxi right Delta and Foxtrot to stand Echo 64.
Alright, to Delta, Foxtrot, Echo, stand Echo 64, Sun Express, 2 Zulu Papa.
146 departure, 125.955, St. Luke.
3146, danke. Tschüss.
Tschüss. Edelweiss 130 Juliet, wind 240 degrees, 5 knots, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Runway 28, clear for takeoff, Edelweiss 130 Juliet.
Z7 Charlie, Tachien, line up runway 28.
Line up runway 28, reset, Charlie, that's it.
Edelweiss 130 Juliet and left to Degas.
Left to Degas, Edelweiss 130 Juliet.
Swiss 146, contact Swiss radar 133.905, can I?
133.905, Swiss 146, bye-bye.
Swiss Mike Escape, good morning, taxi via Juliet, Charlie and Echo, hold short runway 28.
Swiss 87 Charlie, departure 125, decimal 955, fish pass.
2955, Alpha, Swiss 87 Charlie,
Swiss 737 Alpha, hello, beyond the Bombardier, line up runway 28 and wait behind. Expect close departure behind.
Swiss Charlie, departure grid C, identified, climb to flight level 120.
11 Papa, wind 240 degrees 4 knots, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Runway 28, clear for takeoff, this 11 Papa.
Swiss 5 Lima Delta, schönen guten Tag. Wir haben the Helvetic Embraer, line up runway 28 and wait behind. For your information, you will be in sequence behind the departing traffic company on crossing runway.
Departure,
hold short runway 28.
737 Alpha, departure grid C, identified, climb to flight level 90.
Flight level 90, Swiss 737 Alpha.
Swiss 5 Lima Delta, wind 240 degrees 4 knots, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Swiss 5 Lima Delta.
Swiss 238, departure 125, terminal 955, fish pass, trim Luke.
Swiss 238, goodbye. Departure Swiss 238, grid 2500.
Tower Swiss 107, Echo ready.
Swiss 107 Echo, vielen Dank, wind 240 degrees 4 knots, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff, runway 28, Swiss 107, Echo.
5 Lima Delta, departure 125, decimal 955, St. Luke.
125, 955, Nancy, Senate Dog, Swiss 5 Lima Delta. Swiss 737 Alpha, climb to flight level 120.
Flight level 120, Swiss 737 Alpha.
Swiss 5 Yankee Victor, wind 250 degrees 4 knots, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
22 get takeoff, Swiss 5 Yankee Victor.
Swiss 8 Yankee Echo, climb to 7,000 feet.
Climbing 7,000 feet, Swiss 8 Yankee Echo.
Swiss 5 Yankee Victor, departure 125, decimal 955, viel Spaß.
25, 955, mehr, Swiss 7 Tag, Swiss 5 Yankee Victor. Departure schönen Mittag, Swiss 5 Yankee Victor, passing 2,700 feet, climbing 5,000 feet.
Swiss 5 Yankee Victor, departure grid C, identified, climb to flight level 120.
Climb to flight level 120, Swiss 5 Yankee
Swiss 5 1 kilo, wind 250 degrees 4 knots, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
135,
125, Ade, Swiss 8 Yankee Echo.
Swiss 571 Hotel, schönen Tag. Wir haben the company 320, line up runway 28 and wait behind.
Behind the company 320, line up and wait, runway 28 behind, clear to Swiss 571 Hotel.
Swiss Mike Yankee, Hebel of loud, wind 240 degrees 5 knots, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
28, clear for takeoff, Swiss 8 Mike Yankee, danke.
Swiss 1 Victor Mike, schönen guten Tag. Wir haben the Bombardier, line up runway 28 and wait behind.
Swiss 1 behind, Bombardier head, line up runway 28, wait behind, Swiss 1 Victor Mike.
Swiss 571 Hotel, departure 125, decimal 955, tschüss.
125, 955, Swiss 571 Hotel.
Anatolia 21 X-ray, and for further taxi, contact right now apron on 121 decimal 755. Have a nice weekend.
Climbing 5,000 feet.
Swiss 115, grid C, identified, climb to flight level 120.
Climb flight level 120, Swiss 571 Hotel.
Swiss 8 Mike Yankee, contact Swiss radar 133 decimal 905, Ade.
133 905, Swiss 8 Mike Yankee, bye-bye.
Zurich, hello, Delta Alpha Victor. Delta Alpha Tango Mike Juliet, even guten Tag, taxi via Juliet, hold short runway 28.
Taxi via Juliet and hold short runway 28.
This is 571 Hotel, turn left to Degas.
Left to Degas, plus 571 Hotel.
This is 1 Victor Mike, wind 25 degrees, 3 knots, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Passing behind you, push and start with proof.
Please, 1 Victor Mike.
Clear for turn, then sir, push and start proof, please.
447 Golf, and good.
Please fly to 5, Fibigate, taxi on Juliet, hold short runway 28.
Juliet, hold short, this was this time.
364 Echo, revision, additional traffic passing behind you, and clear push and start with proof.
Clear of the Baltic push and start proof, please, for echo.
This is 2 Victor Kilo, wind 25 degrees, 5 knots, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
28, clear for takeoff, with 2 Victor Kilo. This is 571 Hotel, contact Swiss radar 133.905, are they?
133.905, addition, this is 571 Hotel.
Yeah. This is 1 Victor Mike, contact Swiss radar 133.905, are they?
133.905, are they? This is 1 Victor Mike.
This is 447 Golf, wind 25 degrees, 5 knots, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Runway 28, clear for takeoff, 447 Golf.
This is 2 Victor Kilo, direct.
Due to pushback structure, we need to know.
Passing,
Archer is fully ready.
this is 2 Victor Kilo, now direct rotos.
On course, rotos with 2 Victor Kilo.
With 5 feet straight, wind 25 degrees, 5 knots, runway 28, clear for takeoff, take your time, get me going, rolling.
That's Embraer, just take off.
This is 447 Golf, contact Swiss radar 135.680, are they?
135.680, yes, it's 447 Golf.
And 5 to clear, clear rolling.
Dankeschön. So 64 Echo, the wind 25 degrees, 4 knots, runway 16, clear for takeoff.
16, clear takeoff, please, for echo.
Four five eight Echo, departure 125, contact Swiss radar 135.680. That's 214 Alpha.
Thank you, top speed is 1541, pushback start with proof.
86, wind 25 degrees, 4 knots, runway 16, clear for takeoff.
For echo heavy, 5,000 feet.
6 for Echo Heavy, departure clear, so identify, climb to flight level 120.
Climbing, flight 120, switch 6 for echo.
It was 214 Alpha via Echo 2, line up and wait, runway 16.
Are you fully ready to start a push?
Departure is planned in roughly 6 minutes due to this takeoff.
Archer report fully ready.
It was 214 Alpha, the wind 260 degrees, 3 knots, runway 16 clear for takeoff.
Runway 16 clear takeoff, Edelweiss 214 Alpha.
It was 2 Echo departure 125, decimal 955, schönen Flug.
Departure, danke, schönen Tag, Edelweiss 200 Echo.
Great. 372, wind 260 degrees, 3 knots, runway 16, clear for takeoff.
16 clear takeoff, 37. We say Tango, push max start approved.
Push start off to say Tango.
Are we confirmed via link 4 or the next to the right?
Well, link 4 is not a good option because there's a 777 there. Continue taxi straight ahead on Bravo, then via Foxtrot, and on Foxtrot make a right turn onto Charlie, and Echo 56 is coming up at the corner.
Perfect inside. Foxtrot Charlie, Echo 5.
Taxi Charlie, Foxtrot, Foxtrot, Delta, 3 knots, runway 16, clear for takeoff.
160, stand by tower, 118.1.
18.1,
With 1 Bravo Alpha, at the moment your departure planned around time 49 due to a lot of departures on the traffic. Flight in case of any further.
One navigate, taxi via Juliet, runway 28, and keep waiting to the
680.
Taxi via Juliet,
Edelweiss 24, tower, hello, are you ready? Edelweiss 24, we are Echo 2, we have the 777, line runway 6. 615. Edelweiss 24, een schöne Flug, contact departure, alle zusammen.
Departure, MS Edelweiss 24, een schöne. Departure, Greenswell, Edelweiss 24, passing 2600, climbing 5000.
Edelweiss 24, heavy departure, grid C identified, climb to flight level 120.
Climbing level 120, Edelweiss 24, heavy.
Swiss 38 kilo, contact Swiss radar 133, decimal 9005, on 8.
133.905.
Swiss 242, wind 260 degrees, 2 knots, runway 16, clear for takeoff.
Runway 16, clear for takeoff, 242.
Lufthansa 3 November X-ray, tower, hello, your departure in approximately 7 minutes, taxi Alpha 1.
Lufthansa 3 November X-ray, that is understood. We taxi Alpha 1.
Okay, they did one, you clear of traffic.
Zurich departure, China 971. Good afternoon. You get 3 CLR passing 3200 for 5 after.
China 971, Zurich departure, hello, identified.
Accommodated one, level 120, before nothing, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff, runway 28 and passing 3600, China 971.
China 971, roger.
Stella 53, be ready for the departure in around 20 seconds.
20 seconds, we'll be ready, that's right.
Thank you.
For departure, runway 28 and 41 meter Foxtrot.
Roger, that's crossing traffic says now no factor for you anymore. Anatolia 1 Victor Foxtrot, wind 250 degrees 5 knots, runway 2 clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff runway 28 and Charlie 1, Victor Foxtrot.
AJet 774.
Egypt Air 774, wind 260 degrees, 2 knots, runway 2 clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff runway 28, Egypt Air 774, bye-bye.
Sun Express 7 X-ray X-ray, turn left heading 090 to shorten.
Left heading 090, Sun Express 7 X-ray.
Sun 67, make the Zulu 8 and taxi via Juliet, hold short, runway 28.
Emirates 87 Quebec, wind 330 degrees, 2 knots, runway 16, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 16,
With 457, then taxi slowly. Keep an eye on the Airbus 320 on the right-hand side for sequencing. Connect now, apron 1 to 1 decimal 855. It's not good.
Looking right, slowly, 1 to 1, 855.
Russia 75 Charlie, that was great. Contact departure box.
Thank you very much, bye. Departure.
Two stations with 457 apron, give way to the Airbus from the right, behind taxi on Juliet, hold short, runway 28.
Yeah, Airbus, taxi on Juliet.
Holding point Echo Zulu.
Stand by Charlie, leveling 5, maybe 4